Hey, welcome back to another tutorial of Python, and this is an extended version of the string. Last time I was feeling really tired, so I quit it, and I'm gonna continue from there right now. And to continue from there, over here, what we are going to learn in this tutorial is that indexing of the string. Okay, first take a word, which is word. This is a variable here, and we are gonna say uh, enthusiastic. So we are initializing a string variable inside the word variable, and right now indexing is a procedure where you can take a position of the position or the index of a letter and literally print it out into the string. For example, you say word, and we want to print out this u here. So to do this, we are going to take square bracket beside the word, and we are going to calculate the index of u, so which is 1 2 3 4 5, fifth position. But guess what, index always starts with 0 in Python. So we need to calculate it from 0 here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we say 4 here, and it should print us the value u here. If we click enter, so right now you can see that u is being printed out. Alright, we want to print out more words here, like I, which is in 4 5 6 sixth index. So I'm gonna take 6 and click enter, so it's printing out the I. You can actually print out more than one words, more than one letters, I'm sorry. So to do this, we are going to use the slice option here. But before going into slice option, we want to see another indexing, which is called as reverse indexing or backward indexing, which is you calculate the index from the behind or backward approach. For example, we in string we can do something like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So it follows this way, or minus indexing. But in minus indexing, it doesn't start with 0. It's literally start with -1. Okay, let's print out this word t here, the t in minus indexing. So to do this, we are gonna calculate -1, -2, -3. So we are gonna say word, and inside the square bracket we are gonna say -3. It should print out t. So you can see it here. Right now we go to the slice option. Slice. We want to slice more than one letters or multiple, which is multiple letters. For example, we want to take E until U, which is N2. To do this, we are gonna say word, and inside the bracket we are gonna first take a colon, and there are two arguments we can pass here, which is first of all is on the left side, and the second one is on the right side. The first one tells us the starting index from where we want to cut the string. So over here it is from 0, so I'm gonna say 0, and we want to actually cut until which index? 0 1 2 3 4, fourth index. So we are going to say about the fourth index here by giving this 4. So it literally means that we are slicing from 0 index until 4. If we click enter now, it should print out nth here. But look at this thing. It is not printing out the u here. You know why? Because in Python, when you're slicing, it is always not calculating the last index itself, which is the fourth index. For example, if we give the fifth index here, it will actually cut the entire string without the fifth index itself. For example, 0 1 2 3 4 5. So it's until S, but it's gonna exclude this one and will cut until this here. So let's print out, and it is printing out the N2 here. So you can actually do something like this without giving the 0 here. So if we keep it empty, it literally means that you are starting from the, you want to cut from the beginning, or starting from the 0 index and finishing until the 5th index. So if we click now, it is giving us the same value. You can do something like this here as well. You want to cut from the, like we want to print cut from the 3rd index and 3rd index and cut until the rest. So to do this, you just keep it empty, and guess what, it's cutting from here. Who see a stick over here, it's not actually ignoring the 3rd index, because it's taking the 3rd index itself as well and cutting the rest. Also, you can actually print out the entire value by not putting any arguments there. So if you click enter now, it's printing out the entire string. We can add two slicing point. For example, we want to, okay, let's take a equals Python, and we want to take a slicing point which is from 0 until 2nd index. So for this we want to cut from PYT. So to cut this, we have to go until the 4th index, 3rd index, which is 3. So it is giving us the value PYT, and we want to cut from here H until N. To do this, we are going to take until 0 1 2 3 3rd index, and until 0 1 2 3 4 5. We can't say 5 here because it will only print out until here HO. We can say 6, or we just can leave it empty. And if we do this 6 here, it is giving us this horn. If we leave it empty, same result. So right now what we want to do is that we want to actually add this index slicing with this slice point. To do this, I'm gonna say a 0.3 plus a 3 point blank, or 6. Okay, let's take it as 6. So guess what's gonna happen? So it's gonna print out this PYT, and it's gonna print out this HOM. So both combinedly will make Python, and you can see it here. So this is how the slicing works. I guess that you understand it well. Also, you might wonder, like, I want to replace a value in a single index by calling the index point. You can't do this over here into the string. For example, I want to replace the value y here by calling the first index 1 and say it as Proton. So if we click enter now, it is giving us an error because str, or which means string object, does not support item assignment. God damn it, I'm losing my voice. Okay, what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna take another approach, which is adding letters or numeric digits with the string. So what I'm gonna do is here is that I'm gonna say something like Zyton. So to do this, I'm gonna say J, or I'm gonna say plus, and I'm gonna take the a variable here, and I'm gonna print out from 1 index until the last, so one index until the last, which is blank, and it should give us the Zyton here. Okay, right now we want to print out the length of a string. I mean, how many words or how many literals it has taken. So to do this, we are gonna take a variable as equals the world is beautiful. So take this, and to print this, we are gonna take len, which is a built-in function. Oh yeah, it's a built-in function in Python, and you're gonna put the s inside it, and it's gonna print out 22. So there are 22 letters here, including the spaces. Okay, that's the end of the string. I hope that you guys understand it. You must practice it. Just go and practice and see the documentation of Python official website. You can do it well. There are no other option without practicing it. You know what? When I'm teaching you guys, I'm also practicing it myself. So it is helping me as well. So I hope that you guys understand it. If you don't understand anything, just comment into the comment section. I will try my best to help you out. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you into the next tutorial.